Hello the Grace team, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. And for my new friends, whoever is new here on this channel, a warm welcome to you and a huge warm hug for you today. Sorry guys, today I'm here to share with you my palm nut soup recipes with you. I don't know how you guys call it in your country. In my country we call it Dekoudessi or sauce Graine. So this is all the ingredients that I have to achieve this delicious dish. So I have my ginger, I have some garlic, some anise seed, chicken bouillon, I have some salt, and I have couple okra, Scotch bonnet pepper or Jamaica pepper. I have whatever you want to call it. I have my grounded onion, grounded tomato, and I have some crispy powder. And this is my palm oil. You guys know how it comes in a form of cane here, and they make it like a paste in the can. So I diluted mine with some warm water, and the protein I have for this palm nut soup is tilapia fish, and I already seasoned them. They are already seasoned. I seasoned those about like 3 hours. I use my ginger powder and garlic powder with some chopped onion, some salt, and I cover it up till now. So that's how I season it. Let's move on to the cooking. So this is my palm nut, the one I already diluted with some hot water. I'm gonna try and steam it. My skillet is already warmed up. So let's see guys, the reason why I like to strain this thing, as you can see, you see those black stuff on the bottom. Yeah, that's what I am avoiding right now. That's why I like to strain it all the time, every time I want to cook my palm nut soup or whatever. So as my skillet is really hot, you can see that. So as it starts boiling, I'll go ahead and add my tomato. And I'll add my onion too. So I'll give it a good stir, and now I am going to cover it and let it simmer for 8 minutes. Okay. So this is after 8 minutes, guys. As you can see, the soup is giving us the sign that it's on the way of getting cooked. Okay, so now I'm going to add my okra to this soup. Alright guys, the next thing to do is to add my chicken bouillon and my salt. No, dear. And the next thing will be my crayfish. And now I'll be dropping my tilapia. Guys, can you imagine those people? Before I knew, they cut my tilapia head. My favorite part of my tilapia fish, they cut it up for me, guys. You cannot imagine. So now I'll be adding my mixed seasoning that I grounded. Remember the anise seed, the ginger and the garlic. Yep, everything is there. And now I will be cover this for another 5 minutes, guys. So guys, this is after 5 minutes. Let me lower the heat a little bit before I got all the banga soup or this all over here. So guys, as you can see, the soup has been thickened. It is thickened now, and you can see the oil flowing on the top of the sauce. That's how you know that, yeah, the soup is almost or already done. So first of all, let me taste and see if I... And guys, make sure you flip your fish over in the soup, sorry, to make sure it's well cooked on both sides. And I need a little bit more salt on my soup, that's why I just added. So, and now I'll be adding this, my single Jamaica pepper. I can't add more than that because of my kids, and I'll add this long green one just for the flavor and the smell of that. And now we'll go ahead and cover it up for another 5 minutes, so all the water can be dried up, and then I am sure that my soup is well cooked and ready to eat. Okay, that's ginger powder. Alright guys, so my soup is ready. You don't want to stir it to break down the fish. Alright guys, my soup is ready, so the last thing to do is just sprinkle this with some onion, and voila, ready. After sprinkle the onion, I'll go ahead and cover it up, and that's all. So thank you guys for watching. if you are not subscribed yet, let me remind you, don't leave this channel without subscribing, so you can have some new recipes every week. I upload videos every week on this channel, so if you are here and you like all this delicacy, just subscribe and you will not regret. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Love you. Bye bye.